Welcome to Reviews Heaven. If you're looking to level up your cooking game with a compact, versatile, and powerful countertop burner, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best countertop burners that bring convenience and efficiency to your kitchen, RV, dorm, or even your next camping trip. From sleek designs to cutting-edge features like induction technology, temperature controls, and energy efficiency, these burners have it all. Whether you're boiling, frying, or keeping your food warm, there's a perfect match for every need. And don't worry, we've made it super easy for you to explore. All the product links are waiting for you in the description box below. Let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. Elite Gourmet Countertop Single Cast Iron Burner. Are you tired of fighting for stovetop space during the holidays or when cooking for a crowd? Say hello to the Elite Gourmet Countertop Single Cast Iron Burner, your new sidekick in the kitchen. This little powerhouse packs 1,000 watts of heating magic, perfect for whipping up a quick meal or keeping your famous chili warm. With adjustable temperature settings from warm to high, it's got you covered whether you're slow cooking or boiling water. And cleanup? It's so easy. Even your roommate who never sees the mess might actually help. The non-stick cast iron surface ensures no stubborn food bits are left behind. Safety first. The cool touch base and non-skid feet mean no unexpected kitchen disasters. Plus, the power indicator light is like a friendly nudge, reminding you it's on, because who hasn't forgotten to turn something off? Lightweight and portable, this burner is perfect for camping, dorms, or even as a buffet station during parties. It's small, efficient, and ready to be your kitchen's MVP. Number 2. Duxtop Portable Induction Cooktop Burner. Say goodbye to boring stovetops and hello to the Duxtop Portable Induction Cooktop Burner, the ultimate gadget for cooking like a pro, even if you're just making instant noodles. With 1,800 watts of power and 20 adjustable settings, it's like having a personal sous chef at your fingertips. The LCD touch panel is so intuitive, even your tech-challenged uncle could figure it out. Need to boil water in a flash? Hit the fast boil button. Want to keep your soup warm? There's a button for that too. And with the child safety lock, you won't have to worry about curious little hands turning your dinner into a science experiment. Induction technology heats your pots directly, so no wasted energy or time. Just make sure your cookware is magnetic. If a magnet sticks, you're good to go. Oh, and don't worry about weird noises. That's just the cookware saying, I'm working hard. Lightweight, compact, and packed with features, the Duxtop burner is perfect for dorms, RVs, or impressing your friends with your chef vibes. It's the future of cooking, minus the burnt pans. Number 3. Nuwave Flex Precision Induction Cooktop Burner. Meet the Nuwave Flex Precision Induction Cooktop, the kitchen gadget that knows how to keep its cool, even when you're not. With a shatterproof ceramic glass surface and 45 precise temperature settings, this cooktop is like having a culinary Jedi at your service. Whether you're warming chocolate or grilling steak, it's got your back. The digital controls are so intuitive, you can adjust the temperature mid-cooking without breaking a sweat. Forgot to set the timer? No worries, just add or subtract time on the fly. It's like the cooktop understands your creative cooking style. With 3 wattage options, 600, 900, and 1,300 watts, you can handle anything from light simmering to serious searing. Plus, the patented insulation tech ensures no hot or cold spots, so your pancakes won't have a half-burnt, half-raw vibe anymore. And let's talk about that shatterproof glass, durable enough to handle your kitchen experiments, yet sleek enough to impress your dinner guests. Compact, stylish, and built to last, the Nuwave Flex is your ticket to stress-free cooking with a side of fun. Number 4. Ovente Countertop Infrared Single Burner. Looking for a cooking buddy that's as flexible as your dinner plans? Meet the Ovente Countertop Infrared Single Burner, the hot plate that's always ready to lend a hand, or, in this case, a burner. With 1,000 watts of power and infrared technology, it heats up so fast, Your water might boil before you even find your tea bag. The best part? It's cookware friendly. Unlike those picky induction cooktops, this burner works with any pot or pan you've got. Just make sure it's flat and matches the 7-inch surface, because even burners have preferences. The sleek design is a showstopper, whether you're hosting a dinner party or just impressing your cat. Weighing only 2.4 pounds, it's light enough to take on camping trips or to your tiny but cozy studio apartment. Safety is key, and this burner delivers with non-slip feet and an auto shut-off feature. Clean up? A breeze. Just wipe it down, and you're good to go. It's stylish, practical, and might just become your new favorite kitchen gadget. Number 5. Mueller RapidTherm Portable Induction Cooktop Burner. Meet the Mueller RapidTherm Portable Induction Cooktop, the kitchen gadget that's small in size but big on performance. With 1,800 watts of power and 8 temperature levels, it's ready to handle everything from a slow simmer to a sizzling stir-fry. Plus, it's so compact, it's practically begging to join you on your next RV adventure. This cooktop only heats your pan, not the whole room. Talk about energy efficiency. Just make sure your cookware has a magnetic bottom. Pro tip, use a fridge magnet to test it. And with 4 preset programs like Hot Pot and Keep Warm, it's like having a personal chef, minus the chatter. Safety? Covered. Auto pan detection, overheat protection, and a child lock keep things worry-free. Need to step away? Hit pause, and your settings stay put. Cleanup is as easy as wiping it down. No scrubbing, no stress. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a microwave meal kind of person, the Mueller RapidTherm makes cooking fun, fast, and efficient. It's like having a sous chef who actually listens. Thanks for tuning in to Reviews Heaven. We hope you found your perfect countertop burner. If you're ready to upgrade your cooking experience, check out the buying links for all the products in the description box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you next time.